So hello, my name is Fabien Lauder. I work for Collaborans since 2 years now. I'm working from Toulouse in the south of France. I have worked for several projects since 2 years. So for General Electric healthcare company to help them providing BSP for their healthcare monitor. I also work for Bosch e-bike to optimize boot performance, and also I fix some sound issues for autonomic and other stuff also. I mainly do kernel debugging. I upstream some kernel for customers. Some kernel drivers for customers. I also do some tricks in U-boot. I like Yocto, probably the only guy, but I like it. And that's mainly me working at Collabora. So I'm here at Embedded Recipes to give a talk about U-boot Falcon mode. And then I just attend kernel recipes and enjoy all the talk. So, and that's a good community. Embedded and kernel recipes is a good community of embedded source enjoyer in Paris. And I think the main interesting people I met in Paris was Marek Vazut, which I have a great discussion with him during my talk. It was really interesting, so I like it. I also have a long discussion with Steven Rostedt. So I never met him before. I like this guy because he's really awesome during his talk. So yes, and so much people. I don't have all the name in my mind, but yes, all people here are really nice.
Wonderful, great.
Yeah, my name is Sebastian Reichel. I work for Collabora as kernel engineer. I'm currently at Kernel Recipes, right now giving my talk, so I don't have more time to answer your questions. Please meet me sometime, somewhere.
Perfect.
Hi everyone, it's Mark. I'm currently in Paris attending Kernel Recipes. I'm usually based in Montreal. I'm your marketing guy, and I'm ready to help you with all your needs that you might have, whether it's blog editing or for tweeting or for attending events. If you need any materials or whatnot, you can reach out and say hello, and I'll be able to help.
Hello everyone, my name is Guy Lunardi at Collabora. I'm here in Paris for Embedded Recipes and Kernel Recipes. Somehow I was asked to present here this week, and I have to say I had a blast. It was absolutely most wonderful. At midnight, the morning of my talk, I didn't have any slides, and I boxed myself 2 hours, midnight, 2 in the morning. I was going to prepare something. Fortunately enough, this is a smart conference that doesn't start until 10 a.m. So I still had plenty of time to sleep and potentially fix typos afterwards, though I have to admit I didn't do that. I also didn't spot anyone typo in there, but it's possible there are some. The team has recorded the talks. Everything that was done at Embedded Recipes and Kernel Recipes were recorded. They had a few issues. There are a few minutes of the talks missing here and there. The whole Debian team at Collabora will be very happy to know that the whole part of my talk where I plugged Debian is missing from the Internet Archives, so you will have no idea what I said. It will not go in perpetuity, but everything else is covered, and I invite you to take a look at it. I really enjoyed it. It reminded me that I really like giving talks, but I would much prefer all of you guys and girls, subject matter experts, are the ones to be giving talks in the future, and I'll be happy to support you in any way that I can. And only as a last resort will I be the buffoon that makes a fool out of myself, speaking about things I don't really know about anymore. But I very much enjoy doing that. Again, my name is Guy at Collabora. Thank you all of you for all the great work that you're doing. It's great every day to wake up and get to work by walking about 10 paces from my bed to my office. Or traveling every once in a while to meet some of you. And I wish everyone a great end of the year. We have great challenges ahead of us, but we have the perfect team to weather them. So have a fantastic time today, tomorrow, rest of the week, the coming weekend, and beyond that. And for those of you that I'll see at LPC, I look forward to it. I hope I'll be able to make it to Embedded Linux Europe. Might not happen, I don't know, will be a surprise. But Mark will be there, Gustavo will be there, and many others, and they'll give you hugs for me. That's going to be their mission. All right, cheers.
Hello, I'm Gustavo Padovan. I work at Collabora. I've been here for more than 6 years now. Most of my time I've been involved in Linux kernel development. I've been a Linux kernel developer for over 10 years in a few different subsystems. Nowadays I've been helping many people inside Collabora to grow on their kernel development careers. So in a few weeks I'll be at ELC, the Embedded Linux Conference Europe, that will be happening along a few other events, some of them big, some of them smaller, like the Open Source Summit will be at the same place, but at the same time I'll be attending like the Media Summit, where the Video for Linux community they have like their annual meeting. A few other things will be happening there, like the testing summit, something we've been doing a lot at Collabora. We've been helping on kernel CI and trying to build like continuous integration infrastructure inside. So there will be like a lot of discussion on that topic happening there. So I'm really looking forward to be there and spend like some good time talking to people about those subjects. And about like 2 months I'll also be present in the Linux Plumbers conference. There is many interesting tracks going on there, but I'll be mostly looking forward for the automated testing one, where we will be also be talking about what we've been doing in kernel CI in terms of automated testing, automated bisection for the kernel, something that's sort of new. We are trying to bring like the maintainers to see what we are doing there, and also functional tests for subsystems. We are putting a lot of effort to make that a reality in the next few months.
Perfect, great.
So one of the things I've been doing a lot lately is getting to travel, and while being on the road, like working at Collabora at the same time, because we have this sort of freedom to work remotely, work from any place you want. I'm originally from Brazil. I'm Brazilian. That's where I spent like most of my life, and the last couple of months I decided like to become a nomad, and I packed my laptop, a few clothes, and I'm now just like moving around. Right now I'm in Paris for Kernel Recipes, a very interesting conference that's happening right now. Last week I was in Berlin in vacation. Then I'm going to a few other places in the next few weeks, months. It's pretty nice to be in such a place that allows this freedom, and at the same time like has great people that works with me, that we every day we achieve like interesting things for not only for Collabora but for the open source community as a large.